Artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and many more are enough to take your job, and at the same time also enough to make you skilled. Back then we used to make clear looking images using Photoshop, but this time you can make real looking images using AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and many more. You can do so much things using AI. You can add smile to your photos. You can change your hairstyle by using an AI app. By using Adobe's Firefly, you can use its generative fill to extend the image. Which was never possible before. AI is so big that you can now generate AI music, which is pretty interesting. Now you can change the face of a person in the video. You can generate real looking images that are unimaginable. Even Amazon has said that they will use ChatGPT to write full ebooks and sell on Kindle. Just to understand what AI is capable today, see the video. This is a robot made by Boston Dynamics that can interact with things around. Now it can already do the work of a laborer and help them. Now laboring works are in danger. We are witnessing a revolution in the world. The revolution of AI. AI is changing everything. AI will change the way we study, the way we look at world. Job market is going to change. Political systems and military warfare is going to change. Elon Musk has already said that AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear weapons.
Chapter number 1. Rise of AI. Although AI had already been under rapid growth, but people noticed it when OpenAI launched its chatbot, the ChatGPT 3.5, which became so much popular and gained more than 1 million users in just 5 days, which is the fastest of the lot. For reference, see the graph which shows the growth rate of different apps. Netflix crossed 1 million users in 3.5 years, whereas ChatGPT gained 1 million users in just 5 days. The reason for this popularity was its ease of access and targeted audience was so large. It could answer all your questions, write your emails, and do so much, and even write codes for programming languages, which would take some days to even months. The answer was more often accurate. Seeing the success of ChatGPT, many companies launched their own chatbots as well. Google launched its Bard AI, which was a complete failure before, but now Google is working on that one as well. Microsoft launched its Bing AI, but the question is, if this technology is really worth so much, why is Elon Musk and other influential persons considering it a threat? But the question is AI already capable to take your job? Let's see how much there is possibility of actually AI taking your job. Chapter number 2. Will AI take your job? It is seen in history that whenever some innovation happens in the world, it has a significant impact on the job market. When cars became popular, carriage owners lost their job. When smartphones became popular, telephone operators lost their job. Industrial robots took the job of assembly line workers. But first time in history, creative jobs are also in danger. If innovation takes your job, it also generates so much jobs, more than what it took. It is said that AI will take away 85 million jobs, but at the same time, it will also generate 97 million jobs. It is always said that AI will not take your job, a person using AI will. The new jobs generated will be related to AI, using AI and its parameters, etc. Maybe in future it will become compulsory of having basic AI skills to get a job. Chapter number 3. Why AI won't take your job. AI will not take your job. An example to that will be when you need to make a logo, you need a graphic designer, but AI will create logos, so who will tell AI what to generate? This can only be done by a person who has a knowledge of AI. Similarly, in other fields, AI will have its impact. Chapter number 4. How can AI be used to make your life better? AI is not a small field which has so much things involved like machine learning, data science, etc. AI can be used in so many ways to make your life better. AI can be used in educational sector to revolutionize the way we study. By using ChatGPT, we can teach students how can they be more productive and efficient in their lives. A salaried person can use AI to make their workflow more smoother by reducing their work. A business owner can use AI to reduce its employees and do the same work they do. Chapter number 5. Need of the hour. The need of the hour is to start learning AI and its related things that can actually make their life productive and efficient. We need to adapt to the changing world of AI. Learning and adapting is the only one thing that can save your job and your life. And actually you can have positive impacts of changing world of AI. The need is that all the countries should start adapting and educating their people about AI and make appropriate rules for protection. Japan has made guidelines allowing limited use of AI in schools. AI can be used to reduce the workload of a teacher I can explain concepts better than many teachers out there. Chapter number 6. Conclusion. See, AI is revolutionary technology that can be used for people's welfare, but it can also be used for some negative purposes, on which I will make a separate video about.